Wait, let me promise you now. If you watch this episode until the end, I will read to you four simple ways to make passive income as a graphic designer. Let me tell you this: it's always possible to join the league of creative and smart individuals making serious money from the internet. If you are a graphic designer looking to boost your earnings without working 247, you're in the right place. Today, I am diving into four simple ways you can start making passive income using your design skills. So let's get right into it. So I'm Usman and I'm excited to share my knowledge, experiences, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom and build the business of your dreams. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, grow an existing a business, or learn proven money making methods, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I dive deep into topics like passive income streams, online marketing, e-commerce, investing, and so much more. So if you are tired of the 95 grind and you want to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join me on this incredible journey together. Together we'll uncover the secrets to generating multiple income streams, scaling your business, and living life on your terms. All right, let's jump into the first method: selling digital products. You can create amazing digital assets like templates, icons, fonts, or social media graphics, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Once you create those assets, they can keep generating income for you every time someone purchases them. Now on to the second way: online courses and tutorials. If you have a specific design skills like mastering Adobe Illustrator or creating stunning logos, consider making an online course using platforms like Udemy or Teachable to share your knowledge. After you After your course is live, students can enroll and you will earn money. You will earn money while you sleep, while you are on vacation, while you are having fun. Coming Coming in at number three: print on demand. There is a super fun and easy way to turn your designs into merchandise. Use services like Redbubble or Printful, where you can upload your designs to things like t-shirts, mugs, or wall arts. Whenever someone orders your product, the company handles printing and shipping, and you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. And finally, the fourth method: affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or even a strong social media presence, you can promote tools, resources, or products that you love and use as a designer. By joining affiliate programs, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Just be sure to share products you genuinely believe in. And there you have it, four simple ways to make passive income as a graphic designer. The best parts: you can combine these strategies to maximize your income potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've tried any of these strategies or you have other ideas for making passive income as a designer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing everyone. Bye for now.